Hello, this is Ryan Chen from the AI Quiz channel. If you're like me and love AI, it is breathtaking with all the advancements, but sometimes it is hard to keep up with all the latest news. I've made it easy for you with this fun quiz to help you keep abreast of all the latest news from this week. And I'm pretty sure you've heard about Claude Code being leaked. See what else you've missed with this fun quiz? Let's begin. What caused Anthropic's massive 512,000 line Claude Code leak this week? An accidental debugging map file. While the leak was massive, what part of the AI was actually exposed? The answer is client-side terminal app. Core training weights were not exposed and API keys weren't exposed. What was leaked was the software engineering code around Claude, the tool orchestration, feature flags, memory systems, and architecture, not the actual AI brain weights or any user data. Think of it like someone leaking the blueprints to a car factory, but not the engine formula itself. What highly controversial feature was discovered that scrubs the word Claude from a developer's Git commits? Undercover mode. How does Claude Code actually detect if a user is getting frustrated with the AI? A hard-coded regex filter of swear words. Sometimes simplicity is the best answer. What was the code name for Anthropic's next major unreleased model revealed in the leak? Capybara Mythos. Digging through the 1,900 leaked files, developers found a massive hidden Easter egg. What was it? A terminal Tamagotchi virtual pet. True or false, because Claude Code leaked onto GitHub with over 40,000 forks, it is officially open source. False. Just because the source code was leaked and spread across GitHub, like wildfire, does not magically make it open source. True, open source software requires an official license like MIT or Apache that legally grants the public permission to use, modify, and distribute it. Anthropic's Claude Code remains highly proprietary and heavily copyrighted. Bonus poll: how do you personally feel about autonomous AI agents like Claude Code running on your computer? Me personally, it is a super exciting time, but scary with things like OpenClaw that can take full control of your computer. I've got a manual task for you that doesn't require an AI agent. If you're enjoying the game and want to stay ahead of the curve on all this insane AI news, do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button right now. It's the absolute best way to support the show and make sure you never miss a round. Take 1 second, click subscribe, grab a sip of water, and let's get right back into the madness. Why did Google just surprise drop a light version of their VO 3.1 video AI? To slash developer API costs by over 50%, Google made a calculated trade-off. By intentionally stripping away premium features like 4K resolution and video extension, they managed to slash their video API costs by a staggering 50%. In doing so, they democratized AI video generation overnight, making it cheap enough for builders to finally deploy at massive scale. In a shocking pivot, why did OpenAI just shut down the Sora video generation consumer app? Lack of monetization and high compute costs. Who first publicly discovered and reported the Claude Code leak? Fan Shou, a Solayer Labs intern. Meta's former chief AI scientist, Yann LeCun, just raised $1 billion for a startup building. What kind of AI? World models? What do you guys think? Are world models going to be as big as LLMs? Leave your thoughts in the comments. Google quietly unveiled a groundbreaking new compression algorithm called TurboQuant this week. What exciting future does this technology unlock? Running massive AI models locally on your smartphone. Google Research recently published a paper detailing TurboQuant, a revolutionary algorithm that compresses a large language model as short-term memory, the KV cache, by up to 6 times with zero loss in accuracy. By drastically shrinking the memory footprint required to run an AI, this breakthrough paves the way for massive, high-powered models to run entirely locally, offline, and privately on everyday devices like your smartphone. Which incredibly powerful AI video generator recently received legal threats from Hollywood studios for its uncanny ability to generate flawless, multi-shot sequences of copyrighted characters. ByteDance's SeedDance 2.0, the AI was generating such accurate clips of famous movies and characters that Disney, along with Paramount, aggressively stepped in. According to OpenAI's massive funding announcement, how many paying consumer subscribers does ChatGPT currently have? 50 million. Google just launched Lyria 3 to developers. What does this AI model generate? The answer is high-fidelity music tracks. Google is turning developers into full-blown record producers. Lyria 3 is not just your standard text-to-beat generator. It is a massive multimodal engine that can take text, images, or even video and instantly spit out a professional-grade track. Just remember, every single track comes branded with an invisible synthed watermark. So do not go trying to win a Grammy with it just yet. I hope you enjoyed today's quiz on Claude Code and other AI topics. Click the subscribe button to be alerted of when the next one is coming. Thanks, guys!